I'm sad. 2 words. And her entire group chat panicked.
Her best friend had just gotten engaged. She wasn't there for the dinner. She found out through a text. And all she wrote back was, "I'm sad I wasn't there."
Within minutes, 3 friends were checking in on her. Are you okay? What's wrong? One even called her.
But nothing was wrong. She just used the wrong word. There's a much better word for that feeling, and today we're teaching it to you.
Welcome to Word by Word English. Sad is one of the first words every learner picks up, and one of the most overused. Let's fix that.
So back to that group chat. Her friend got engaged. Exciting news, but she found out through a text, not in person.
And she replied, I'm sad I wasn't there. In her head, that meant a little disappointed, a little left out, nothing serious.
But her American friends read it completely differently because sad carries weight. It sounds like grief, not just, I missed out on something fun.
So what should she have said instead?
I'm so bummed I wasn't there.
One word, bummed, and it completely changes the meaning.
Bummed means mildly disappointed, a small letdown. It's light, it's casual, and it's exactly what Americans say dozens of times a week.
Once she sent, sorry, I meant bummed, not sad, her friends instantly relaxed. Oh, okay, that makes more sense.
One word, completely different reaction.
So why does this matter so much? In English, emotional words exist on a scale. Sad sits high on that scale, close to grief, heartbreak, real emotional pain.
Everyday disappointments, missing a party, rain ruining your weekend, don't need a heavy word, they need a light one. That's exactly what bummed does.
Imagine 2 people. Person A says, I'm sad my flight got delayed. Person B says, I'm so bummed my flight got delayed.
Person B sounds completely natural. Person A sounds like English is their second language, even with perfect grammar.
That's the power of choosing the right sized word, not just a correct one.
3 real situations where Americans use bummed instead of sad.
Situation 1. Small disappointments. I'm so bummed. I really wanted tacos tonight.
Situation 2. Missing an event. I'm really bummed I missed your party. It looked so fun.
Situation 3. Small letdowns in plans. I'm so bummed about the weather. I really wanted to go swimming.
Restaurants, parties, weather, bummed fits perfectly in all 3.
Mistake 1. Using bummed for serious situations. If someone's grandmother passed away, you do not say, I'm bummed. That sounds careless.
For real loss, death, breakups, sad or devastated is correct. Bummed is only for small, everyday disappointments.
Mistake 2. Saying just, I'm bummed with no context. Native speakers usually add what they're bummed about, like, I'm bummed I missed it, sounds more natural than I'm bummed alone.
Mistake 3. There's also bummed out without added. Both are correct in American English. I'm bummed and I'm bummed out mean the same thing. Bummed out is just slightly more emphatic.
And mistake 4. Pronunciation. It's bummed. Rhymes with drummed, not boomed. Say it with us. Bummed. Bummed.
Quick practice. Your favorite coffee shop is out of your usual drink. Option A, I'm so sad about this. Option B, I'm bummed about this.
Option B. Option A sounds way too serious for coffee.
One more. Your friend cancels plans last minute. Option A, I'm sad you can't make it. Option B, I'm bummed you can't make it. Let's reschedule.
Option B again. Caring, casual, natural.
Now try this. Fill in the blank out loud. I'm so bummed about blank. Use something real from this week. Write it in the comments. We'll pick a few to reply to.
Today you learned one small word, but the real lesson is bigger.
The right word doesn't just describe your feeling, it helps people understand you correctly.
Bummed gives you the perfect middle ground for all those small, everyday disappointments. And now you have the word for it. Use it.
If this helped you, share it with someone who always says, "I'm sad for the small stuff." Like, subscribe, and see you next time.